Everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Python to ask OpenAI, and specifically like the ChatGPT engine, ask it any question and get a response. So it's a bit ambiguous at first if you're browsing the API, like which one is the one where you can actually ask and receive, information, right? So it's this OpenAI.completion.create. This is the method you have to call. Oh, by the way, before I get any deeper into this, please subscribe. I've only got 250 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 so I can monetize this channel. Anyway, and back to it. Just please hit the subscribe button. So we're using this OpenAI library here, and you just download it, with npm or whatever package manager you have. You import OpenAI. You set your key. I just have my OpenAI.api key equals to some key. I have it stored here privately so you guys can't see it. And then you run this method, OpenAI.completion.create. You select the model, and there's a handful of models that you can pick from, and you're gonna have to figure out which model works for you. That's a separate video. You're gonna ask it a prompt, like basically, I think you can really tell it anything. Like you can say, give me the code in Python to use the OpenAI completion method. Let's see if that works, right? Oh, that does not work. So I guess you have to ask it more of a specific question, like, what is my name? It says your name's not provided. You say, tell me a funny, or no, how about this one? Write a 500-word blog post about OpenAI. That's kind of the command. We'll see what comes back. I think it takes a second because it's writing 500 words. And here you go. OpenAI is a nonprofit artificial intelligence research laboratory founded in 2015 by Elon Musk. Yeah, and there's your 500 words. So fairly, would I use this as a blog? I don't think so. But I would use this as a tool to get information for a blog post. It's like, you say, what is OpenAI's most popular feature? And then you could use this information. OpenAI's popular feature is its ChatGPT, Generative Predictive Trained Transformer 3, Natural Language Processing Model. But anyway, that's how you use OpenAI, the completion create. How about this? Give me a YouTube title for a video about OpenAI completion feature. And we're going to use this as the title. Unlocking the power of OpenAI, exploring the completion feature. Fantastic. So we'll use that. And that'll be the title of this video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.